everybody. Now, at this age, these kids are just learning how to pedal. This is a motor skill that they're just working on. So we're going to empty out his bucket because the tractor and sled were about 200 pounds alone, all right? And we should have 175 pounds over here for Joel. Okay, I'm going to help him in the beginning, then you guys help him out and encourage him. You ready, buddy? Okay, let's go. Come on. Pedal time.
Go, Shane!
He's 4 years old. There goes Joel right there. And this is my little buddy, Shane. Come on, Shane. You can do it, Shane. Come on. Keep helping him out.
Go, Shane!
Joel's going to the next round, and Shane.
Go, Shane!
I think that's it for him right there. Give me 5, man. The crowd loved you. Thanks for being in our show. You're awesome. Okay, 8-year-old Kyle, you're up next.